Hi students, we know that sound is produced by vibration of a body. In every musical instrument, a particular part vibrates. Now, have a look at this. Do you know its name? It is called toy bird water whistle. Let us see how it works. Now listen how it is making noise. Now, let us fill this toy with water. Now, observe the change in the sound. Can you guess why the sound was changed? When we blow air into this whistle, then air travels in the form of bubbles and it separates and it makes the bird sound. It is very funny. You can try it at home. Thank you.